Swami, Sanat Goswami is a Sambandhacharya of Gaudiya Vaishnavism, which means the foundation, the basis, the knowledge, the starting point. What is the sadhana? What is the sadhya? What is the goal? All the basic tattvas and principles and points of Gaudiya Vaishnava Tattva Siddhanta. It's called Sambandha. Sambandha Avideya Prayojan. So this discussion is in Madhya Lila, Chaitanya Charitamrita, which is called Ramananda Sambhag. It's discussions between Ramananda Rai and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And they start off by saying, Ramananda Rai asks a most appropriate question, just like the sages at Naimisharanya. They asked Sutta Goswami, what is the purpose of human life? So Ramananda Rai, Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks questions to Ramananda Rai. Ramananda Rai speaks answers, but actually the answers are being, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is asking the question, and he's answering the question. But he's answering it through the mouth of Ramananda Rai. He's Pravesh, he's given his Prabhav, he's given his Shakti Avesh. So it appears that he's asking questions, and it appears that Ramananda Rai is giving the answer. But even Ramananda Rai says, I am like a parrot. A tota, cannot speak unless trained to speak. If you own a parrot, you can say, oh parrot, say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
That's all. You won't say anything else. Unless you say, hey, Shuk, hey Tota, Boliye, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. A very good Tota. Many Totas in chorus. So then he asks the Tota and they say, Radhe Radhe. So like this. So Ramananda Rai, recognizing that he's only speaking, he's the mouthpiece, he's the speaker, but the pen drive is somewhere else. And the amplifier in the pen drive is Lord Chaitanya. He has the information. He's singing the song. He's answering the questions through the speaker of the mouth of Ramananda Rai. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Ramananda Rai, can you tell me what is the goal of life and how to attain it? So then Ramananda Rai gives various answers, dharmic answers, spiritual answers, based on Purana, Gita, and the Bhagavatam. He says the goal of life is mukti. Lord Chaitanya says, because he says, what is the goal of life and how to attain it? Then he says, you're going to attain mukti by following the Varna ashram system. Like gradually going through the Varnas and ashramas, you can become sannyas and detached and finally attain mukti. Brahmasayuja mukti, merging in Brahman, Brahmasayuja, Tattvamasi, or you can go to Vaikuntha Prapti, Vaishnava, for the seva of Narayan. These two options of mukti are there. So Lord Chaitanya said, that's external. That's external, go higher. All the goal of life is karma sannyas yoga, which is Bhagavad Gita. And he says, no, that's external, go higher. Age koro, go higher. What is the goal of life and how to attain it? Go higher. Then he says, well, you should give up all dharmas, give up the varnashram dharma, and give up the karma sannyas. And then he quoted Bhagavad Gita. Ramananda Rai quoted Bhagavad Gita. Sarva dharman prityaja mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishami ma sucha. I hope everyone knows this verse at least. Stop get off your cell phones for 5 minutes and study Bhagavad Gita, a few shlokas, please. Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyaji ma namaskuru mamai vaishasi satyante pratijane priyosime. This is called a Sarva Uttamam. The Gita has Raja Vidya Rajaguyam, 9th chapter. 9th chapter begins, Krishna starts unveiling, which means showing or revealing the secrets. Rahasya tattva, the secret truths and tattvas. Rajavidya Rajaguyam Pavacham Paramamama. He says, I am going to tell you now that Rajavidya, the king of all knowledge, and Rajaguyam, the king of all secrets. So he just says Guyam. And then he goes on, he says, now I'm going to tell you, I told you Guyam, now I'm going to tell you Guyatara. I told you Guyatara, now I'm going to tell you Guyatam. I told you Guyatam, now I'm going to tell you Sarva Guyatamam. Sarva Guyatamam. You understand? Guya means gufa, secret. Sarva means all. And Uta means topmost. Understand? Sarva Guyottama means the highest, topmost secret of all secrets. And what is that? That's the final word, the bottom line, the final secret of Bhagavad Gita.